You don't know yet? Why is there suspense in this? The longest 3 minutes of my life.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Alright. So we have a storm.
Woo! Get it out here. Holy.
Someone's yelling help.
Well, we made it. Finally. This place is like a ghost town. This is West Palm Beach, Florida. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to find out which one's better.
What's better?
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Maybe that's not the song
The wedding
for this.
march. A little compromise.
Had a road trip.
It was there for what, 2.5 months?
Yeah.
That's what happened.
So what's it gonna be? This one or this one? We'll find out soon.
There goes nothing.
Go for it. Go for it. You don't know yet? Why is there suspense in this? This is the longest 3 minutes of my life. Should we flip a coin?
No.
Not? Now I'm kind of bummed out.
So this one was a no, which makes me concerned about what else is wrong with me. Never missed a period in my life.
Cheers.
Oh my god, look at this one.
Oh, look at all the green!
We are making tacos with real meat.
Oh! It's not fish. We're not eating fish. I kind of feel weird now. Oh, wow.
Man, that's good.
Alright. So, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I think it's just Saturday morning, 12:13 right now. And we're gonna leave West Palm Beach and hopefully have a nice sail all the way up to New Smyrna Beach. So I know we got a few thunderstorms coming in, but I believe they're gonna be tomorrow. It's kind of rainy. That's the only bad part. But the sea conditions are supposed to be pretty good, so I guess we'll take a couple rainstorms just to get there in nice conditions. We'll see. I think it's about 160 miles from where we're at right now, so Therese is just picking up the anchor right now. and we should be underway. So, change of plans. We're gonna go back in the inlet. Supposedly we just got, the Coast Guard got on the radio saying that there's a storm that just developed over Lake Okeechobee, which is just west of us, and produces winds up to 50 knots or maybe 60 knots. We can't remember which one it was, but either way, something we don't want to be in. So we're only probably 3 miles off of the inlet here. I knew something was weird when we headed out. We had northerly swells, so we were kind of cautious to begin with.
So yeah, this is pretty weird. Like Cody said, we're turning around and we're right now entering back into West Palm Beach with the current full on against us, 3.3 knots current against us, but we have swell going with us, so we don't really know how this is gonna turn out. There's currently almost zero wind. The storm though that was not predicted seems to be surrounding us. Literally the only clear or semi-clear sky, not a clear sky, but light clouds I see is straight ahead. The rest, like 300 degrees, is just pitch black dark. We seem to make it pretty safely back, yeah, next time going out and when that is opposing the predictions, probably not the best idea. It's just really weird. We keep checking weather apps and there is no prediction.
When we popped out of the inlet and there was northeasterly swell here, and that is completely 180 of what it was supposed to be. We should have turned around there, but we ended up sailing about 4 miles away.
We wanted it really bad.
Yeah.
We didn't mind the rain or the lightning.
Was coming, and then the Coast Guard got on a storm coming over Lake Okeechobee.
So we cracked a beer, and here we are. Hi.
We made it back.
Yes, we are anchored.
We are anchored with 20 minutes to spare.
It seems like it's gonna go around West Palm Beach right now. There's a storm on the south side and there's a storm on the north side, and they're basically splitting up, going around us, which is good, but that means that anywhere else than here would not be really safe right now. So seems like there's nothing when we're in here, but we know there's probably like 50-60 knots of wind just around the corner, so on all angles. So not too fan of that. Staying put here until we find better weather. That was hard to say. Another beer. What is it, like 3 a.m.? I think it's 3 a.m. right now.
Something like that. I
Don't
think you
feel
get beer
tired.
at 3 a.m.
I do. I get beer at 3 a.m. Not pregnant means beer at 3 a.m. on a Saturday night. Friday night, sorry. Well, anything else? I do like my look. Bikini top and foul weather gear.
Oh yeah, rocking it.
At least it's warm out.
Mm-hmm.
And I got cucumber. I don't know what to say.
I'm just gonna keep this going and see what you do.
So it seems like there is a boat in trouble behind us. There's a little sailboat that
I'm gonna say 99% sure they've ran aground.
yeah, we explored this whole area yesterday, and it's definitely shallow where they're at. In any case, we have to lower our dinghy, so we're just gonna go and check it out and see if they need any help. Looks like they made it. Yeah, so they made it up without our help, but we got a dinghy on, so Alfred's ready.
Dumb.
Yeah.
Back to the show.
Anyways, Alfred's ready for whatever comes his way.
To the show.
Yep. Ready?
Yes.
Whoa.
Watch out.
All right. So we have a storm, man.
Woo! Get it out here. Holy. Woo! Hold on to everything, babe. I'm gonna crank up.
All right.
I think we're good. We're good. We're holding into the wind.
But it's pretty gnarly. Yeah.
Let's get into this bottom good. Okay, we're at 40 knots of wind here. 72 knots of wind.
Okay, we definitely hold some microbursts here.
70. Holding solid. Holy.
What's that?
We're into the anchor. 34 knots of wind here. Go. Come on. Come on. Stay in here. We're good. We're good. We got it back. There's a boat dragging. I'm just giving little bumps as much as we can. Go. Look at that. Don't worry about it. Try to get it back into the wind. That's 60, 70 knots of wind right there, right on the beam. We're not. We're leaning sideways.
So yeah, this is definitely a little scary right now. The wind is gusting up to, I don't know, unknown numbers, and at least we're on the hill. We have the engine running. We don't really know how long it's gonna be. The northwesterly right now, and Cody's getting a shower.
We got it back straight. We're back into the wind.
All right. So we're like in the front lines of the anchorage,
Come on, get back in the wind.
but we can't really drag back because there's shoals behind us. Even though there's a boat behind us there in the next steep section.
Woo! Come on, we gotta stay balanced in the wind here. We've got to stay balanced in the wind. Come on. much loud voice built.
It's what?
Too much loud voice built.
Grab that toe.
That's decent. I don't know if it's over.
Someone's yelling help on 16 right now.
West Coast Guard to sailing vessel, believe. There is a very high wind, 70-80 knots here in Lake Worth. I've got to think that's him. There's vessels all over the place.
This is by far the worst weather I've ever been in. I am so glad we are in here right now. Well, not in the storm, but in here and not out in the water, trying to get in somewhere at this point.
I feel that was the wildest thing I think I've ever seen, but unfortunately I don't think a lot of people were as lucky as we were. Mason Anchors, thank you.
Yeah, this is
we
seriously in this.
We're scoped out.
Just like
5 to 1. 5 to 1 right here.
It was dead. It was so calm today that we were sitting out here trying to like just be still and not move because we were sweating so much. Remember when you were sweating, babe?
I know. Okay, so
we still got sweat marks on those chairs over there from before.
I'm just like shivering.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and go and help some people if we can. Well, if anybody wants to know what it's like to go through a 112 knot microburst, hopefully the video shows what that was.
Well, figured out what we lost, and that was the cover for our B&G screen. A little scary right now. The wind.
That was a little wild.
Which is
That was 30 minutes of an adrenaline pumping storm that just rolled in. They were getting a lot of reports, as you can tell, of I guess people in distress all over. It was pretty nasty. We recorded 131 was what our anemometer had recorded, but I'm not sure how true that is. I would say that it was a definitely 70s, 80s. We got we had spikes at 130, but we're not sure if that's just maybe the gadgets. I don't know what happened.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers to Mason Anchors.
Yeah, for sure. That was we had what? So the water depth here is around 15 feet. We had around...
We have 100 foot.
Yeah,
we had 100 foot out.
Almost. Not completely. We had like 80 to 90 because I still was letting out. Which is like 6 to 1, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And we still held in all of this. So that's pretty impressive.